Hello बच्चों, today we will learn about tens, hundreds and loose item. Okay, so as you can see, there is a shop of Lazy and Crazy, and the Lazy and Crazy deal only in hundreds, tens and ones. That means they can give the things only in packets of tens. That means a packet contains 10 items. Hundreds, that means the packet contains 100 items, or loose items, that means the packet less than 10. So here you can see in a picture, just see, a quotation is written here, we deal only in hundreds, tens and ones. That means हम जो चीज़ें हैं वो पैकेट्स में देंगे, और पैकेट्स में या तो 100 चीज़ें होंगी, या 10 चीज़ें होंगी, या ओनली 1 के उसमें होंगी. इतने में यहाँ एक मंकी आता है और वो कहता है अ बंच ऑफ 20 बनानास प्लीज़. दैट मीन्स उसे 20 बनानास चाहिए. बट जो फॉक्स है वो तो अपनी चीज़ें सिर्फ टेंस या हंड्रेड्स में ही देगी, या फिर वंस में. तो अब क्या मुझे बता सकते हैं कि अब मंकी को बनाना कैसे मिलेंगे? यस, द फॉक्स विल गिव 2 पैकेट्स ऑफ टेंस टू द monkey. Okay, now we will find some other things. How can they distribute into the tens, hundred and loose item? For you, one solved example is there. Just see, there is a rabbit and there are 143 carrots. So how will this rabbit get the carrots? Yes, he will get 1 packet of 100, 4 packets of 10 and 3 loose carrots. Now we'll distribute the other things in this packet. Just see, there is an elephant who want 210 bananas. So yes, you can divide these 210 into packets by 2 packets of 100, 2 packets of 100 and 1 packet of 10. Then there is a monkey who wants 242 bananas. So how many packets will he get? Yes, he will get 2 packets of 100, 4 packets of 10 and 2 loose bananas. Lazy Crazy also has a crazy way of taking money. He takes only in 100 rupee note, 10 rupee note and 1 rupee coin. Now find out how they will pay him for what they have taken. So just see, an elephant want to pay rupees 420, a rabbit want to pay rupees 143, monkey want to pay rupees 242, and the deer want to rupees 55. Okay, now I'll explain it to you. Okay students, so as you can see, I have written the money to be paid by the animal on the blackboard. It is rupees 420, rupees 143, rupees 242, and fourth is rupees 55. So now we will see how can we distribute this money, this amount, into notes of rupees 100, rupees 10 and coin of rupee 1. So first of all, we will take rupees 420. So for this, we can give 4 notes of 100 rupees, it will become rupees 400, and 2 notes of rupees 10. It will become rupees 20. So 400 rupees and 20 rupees will become 420 rupees. That means there is no need to give any coin. Now come to the next, that is rupees 143. So for this we will give one note of 100 rupees. It will become rupees 100. 4 notes of 10 rupees. It will become rupees 40. So the total is become 140. That is 140 rupees. Now left 3 rupees. So we will give 3 rupees, 3 coin of 1 rupee. Now come to the next amount, that is rupees 242. For this we will give 2 notes of 100 rupees. So it will become rupees 200. 4 notes of 10 rupees. So it will become rupees 40. The sum is become 240. That is rupees 240. Now left 2 rupees. For this we will give 2 coins of 1 rupee. Now the amount will become 242 rupees. Now come to the last one. This is rupees 55. So obviously as it is less than 100, so there is no need to give any 100 rupees note. We will give 5 notes of 10 rupees. Now the amount become rupees 50. How much money left? Rupees 5. So we will give 5 coins of 1 rupee. So 50 rupees and 5 rupees become rupees 55. So in this way the animal also can distribute the amount and they can give this amount to the fox. Students, you have to do this in your notebook and send it to me on homework group. Thank you.